Crash Course, Argentina, Food and Wine. Welcome to Argentina, a gastronomic paradise where culinary delights and world-class wines await you. In this crash course, we will embark on a mouth-watering journey through Argentina's rich food culture and renowned wine regions. From juicy steaks to flavorful empanadas and the finest Malbec wines, Argentina is a haven for food and wine enthusiasts. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover the culinary treasures of this captivating country. Story 1. The Argentine Asado. No exploration of Argentine cuisine would be complete without mentioning the revered tradition of the asado, a mouth-watering barbecue feast. Argentines take great pride in their grilling skills, using wood or charcoal to slow-cook various cuts of meat, including succulent steaks, ribs, sausages, and more. The asado is not just a meal but a social gathering, where friends and family come together to share delicious food and create lasting memories. Story 2. The Empanada Legacy. Argentina's love affair with empanadas dates back centuries. These delectable stuffed pastries come in a variety of fillings, such as beef, chicken, ham and cheese, spinach, and more. Each region adds its own unique twist to the recipe, resulting in a delightful array of flavors and textures. From street vendors to upscale restaurants, empanadas are a staple of Argentine cuisine, satisfying cravings with their savory goodness. Top 12 Food and Wine in Argentina. 1. Bife de chorizo. Sink your teeth into a mouth-watering Argentine sirloin steak, perfectly grilled and full of flavor. 2. Malbec wine. Sample Argentina's famous red wine, known for its bold character and notes of dark fruits. 3. Empanadas. Indulge in these savory pastries, filled with a variety of delicious ingredients and bursting with flavor. 4. Dulce de leche. Savor the rich and creamy caramel sauce that finds its way into many Argentine desserts. 5. Locro. Taste this hearty traditional stew made with corn, beans, meat, and spices, often enjoyed during national holidays. 6. Chimichurri. Drizzle this vibrant and tangy sauce made with herbs, garlic, and vinegar over grilled meats for an explosion of flavor. 7. Provoleta. Experience the melted cheese delight of provoleta, a popular appetizer often served with chimichurri. 8. Milanesa. Try this breaded and fried meat cutlet, a beloved comfort food in Argentina. 9. Alfajores. Indulge in these irresistible sandwich cookies filled with dulce de leche and coated in powdered sugar or chocolate. 10. Humita. Delight in a traditional corn dish, similar to a tamale, filled with sweet corn, onions, and spices. 11. Torrontés wine. Explore Argentina's aromatic white wine, known for its floral and fruity notes. 12. Medialunas. Start your day with these buttery and flaky croissants, a staple of Argentine breakfasts. In summary, Argentina's food and wine scene offer a sensory adventure that will leave you craving more. From the sizzling aroma of an asado to the rich flavors of Malbec wine, the country's culinary offerings are a true delight. Whether you're a meat lover, a wine connoisseur, or an adventurer seeking new tastes, Argentina promises to satisfy your cravings and leave an everlasting impression. Poem. In the land of Argentina, where flavors dance and sing, food and wine enchant us, each bite a precious thing. From sizzling steak on the grill to empanadas filled with care, we savor every moment, tasting Argentina's flair. The Malbec flows like poetry, in glasses raised with glee. Its velvety embrace, a toast to life's jubilee. And in the humble empanada, a pocketful of delight. The perfect blend of flavors, a culinary flight. Dulce de leche whispers, a sweet and creamy treat. Alfajores melt upon the tongue, a moment so complete. Locro warms the soul, a stew of hearty delight. And chimichurri's tangy kiss elevates each bite. From bife de chorizo, a steak fit for a king, to medialunas at dawn, where morning dreams take wing. Argentina's food and wine, a symphony of delight. An orchestra of flavors that ignite our appetite. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of Argentina, where the tango takes its flight, food and wine unite us, in a world of pure delight. From the sizzling grill to the glass of Malbec red, we raise our voices high, with gratitude we're fed. Chorus. Oh, Argentina, land of taste and grace, where flavors dance upon our lips, a culinary embrace. From the Asado's smoky haze to empanadas stuffed with care. In Argentina, oh Argentina, we taste the love we share. Verse 2. Dulce de leche's sweetness, a melody so divine. Alfajores and chimichurri, flavors that intertwine. Locro warms our spirits, as we gather side by side. And the wine flows freely, a toast to life's wild ride. Chorus. Oh, Argentina, land of taste and grace, where flavors dance upon our lips, a culinary embrace. From the Asado's smoky haze to empanadas stuffed with care. In Argentina, oh Argentina, we taste the love we share. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.